Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the play Measure for Measure by William Shakespeare. Measure for Measure is one of a problem play written by William Shakespeare and published in the first folio in 1623. The sources of this play are George Whetstone's Promos and Cassandra and Cynthios Hecatomethy. This play is set in Vienna. This play is also called a dark comedy. The important quotes from the play are: some rise by sin and some by virtue fall. The miserable have no other medicine but only hope. What is mine is yours, and what is yours is mine. Our doubts are traitors. So these are the main characters. First is Isabella. She is Claudio's sister. Mariana is engaged to Angelo. Juliet, Claudio's beloved, pregnant with Claudio's child. Vincentio is the Duke of Vienna, a noble person who disguises himself to know what is happening in his kingdom in his absence. Angelo is a lord who rules the kingdom in the absence of the Duke, and he is villain in the story. Claudio is Isabella's brother and he is sentenced to death. Lucio is the friend of Claudio. Now I am going to tell you the story. So when the play opens, we get to know that the Duke of Vienna has decided to appoint Angelo on his place so that he himself can disguise and observe what is happening in his kingdom in his absence. Okay. Now what happens? Angelo, after getting this new position, he becomes proud and arrogant, and he imposes strict laws upon the people of Vienna, as he thinks that people of Vienna have lost their moral values. He even captures Claudio, who has impregnated his fiancée Juliet before marriage, and he sentences Claudio to death. And when Claudio's friend Lucio comes to know about it, he approaches Claudio's sister Isabella and asks her to intervene. Isabella approaches Lord Angelo and pleads before him to release her brother Claudio. But Angelo is not ready to forgive Claudio, but he offers a kind of bargain to Isabella that he can leave Claudio only on one condition: if Isabella gets ready to sleep with him. And now we get to know that the Duke, who has disguised himself, and he is observing everything, that what is happening with Isabella and what is happening with Claudio. So now Duke approaches Isabella, okay, and Isabella is not able to recognize him because he is disguised as a friar. And now Duke advises Isabella to talk to Angelo's fiancée Mariana, with whom actually Angelo had broken off his engagement as she was lacking enough dowry in the past. Now Isabella approaches Mariana and convinces Mariana to sleep with Angelo on her place, and she does so. Even after this condition gets fulfilled, Angelo gives order of executing Claudio. But Duke intervenes and he asks his men to send the head of a recently died prisoner on the place of Claudio in order to convince Angelo that Claudio is dead. Okay. So after knowing that her brother Claudio is dead, Isabella and Mariana approach the Duke, who has announced his arrival. Now Duke orders Angelo to get married to Mariana, with whom he had broken off his engagement, and he releases Claudio. He also orders Lucio to marry the prostitute whom he had impregnated. Okay, and Duke himself offers to marry Isabella as he gets impressed to see her honesty. Okay, and the play ends on a happy note.